And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is yet again another P Bandai item for Firgure-rise standard with the Kamen Rider line. We now have Master Rider Kuuga in his Pegasus form or Rising Pegasus form. So again, let's take a look at the box art where we can see here Kuuga in Pegasus form and in Rising Pegasus. So this I think appeared on the 7th episode, near the end of the 7th episode, and on the 8th episode wherein he truly mastered Pegasus form. So off to the side, again, we see here Kuuga in Pegasus form, front and back, the certain gimmicks you can do with it. Extra manipulators, and of course, yes, you have the option to build it in its Rising Pegasus form. Off to the other side, we see information of both the Pegasus and the Rising Pegasus in the show. What they can look here, the stand, and of course, other gimmicks. So let's take a look inside the box. So first up, again, we are greeted with one bag with a gold runner, and yes, this is the same runner that we have seen in the Amazing Mighty, and as well as the Dragon Form Kit. Another bag, gold. Another bag with a green, of course, because Pegasus is green, so most of the sprues for Pegasus will have green color then. So one with the center stand, more green for the Pegasus, black for of course Kuuga's main body. And yes, we have here again green for Pegasus and the same A plate with again different clear color. And yes, lastly, the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the runners. So first we have again, yes, the A plate, which we all have seen from the previous Kuuga kits from Mighty, Decade form, Decade version, Amazing Mighty, and of course in Dragon form. But the only difference is that this is the one that's changing. So for Mighty, Amazing Mighty, this was red, but for Dragon, this was blue, but now in Pegasus, this is green. So that's the A. We also have the standard, again, same plate, the B1 plate, again, seen from those previous kits, and of course, the B2 runner as well. And we have, again, the C2 plate here, which is again we have seen in Dragon form and in the Amazing Mighty. So the gold one here. So with C2, we have a D2 here, which is the green for of course the green for Pegasus. What else? We have a E3 here. So E3 is again most parts for the Pegasus. Do we have? Yes, we have an F2, which consists. We have the weapon for the Pegasus here. Additional manipulators, where Kuuga can hold the gun. We have a G1. So the collar for Pegasus. And yep. And H2, wherein we have the gold parts for Pegasus. And lastly, yes, let's not forget the standard stand that is available in all Firgure-rise standard. And yes, we have stickers for Pegasus. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Firgure-rise standard P Bandai item of Master Rider Kuuga Pegasus or Rising Pegasus. So again, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, and viewing the other videos and sharing them. And of course, this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.